This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 24JS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 27 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, awning, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, oven, refrigerator, LP detector, microwave, leveling jacks, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 24JS is 4,443 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.